work week in Tenerife. What is your favorite part about working here?
That's for sure the people here.
What is your favorite Kodify perk?
First one, on-site, off-site, so basically retreats, then study budget and day off when you adopt a pet.
What's your favorite Kodify company tradition?
I would just say traveling to different places and having a good time.
And what's one of the reasons that's made you stay so long at Kodify?
Well, it's amazing. That's the simplest one I can describe it.